Hi, Joel from JST Woodcraft here, and we're doing the ink cartridge replacement for the Wal Street II series pen. This is one of our more complicated pens to replace. It is a nib style replacement, so we're going to remove this whole tip piece here, and here you have your tube and you have your spring, which you saw I almost lost. Okay, we will replace the ink cartridge, replace the spring, replace the tube, screw all the components back together, and there you go. Ink cartridge replacement, Wal Street II series pen.